I love Philips toothbrushes, and I usually go with the simpler models, as in general I only do one setting, but I decided to go with this fancy one. This is the Philips Sonicare 7500 Clean, and we've already opened another one of these. My husband and I both got them, so I already know everything about it. Let me unbox it and show you. Let's pop it open. Now I went with the white one, so I get a white case, white toothbrush head. My husband went with the black one, so it's all black. Even the toothbrush head, which is the first time I've seen a black Sonicare toothbrush head, which is nice. I hope they come in pink as well and match all the colors, as that's pretty cool. And this case is fancier than most toothbrush cases, as it is also a charging case. When you pop it open, you have space for the toothbrush and 2 toothbrush heads. And at the bottom, it's a USB-C port that you can plug into. And it actually comes with the USB-A to USB-C cable and adapter. And I really appreciate that they gave you everything to make this portable charger work. Really nice case. This alone is a great addition. Now you also get your standard charger, which again will come in the same color as the toothbrush you select. And then here is, of course, the main piece, the toothbrush itself, which has a lot of options. I'll bring it up close and show you those in just a moment. And finally, it does come with 2 toothbrush heads. Now, the 2 toothbrush heads it comes with are not the same. They're actually unique heads for you to try out different styles. The one with the top that has green on it is for plaque control. This is definitely to get your teeth cleaner. Whereas the one that doesn't, that has the purple part to it, at least on the white version, is actually for helping your gums. So I'm gonna pop on the green tip toothbrush head and show you all of the options here. Now here is that toothbrush head close up. It is definitely different than the standard Sonicare toothbrush heads. This part's even like a silicone, like it's all soft on this side of it. And then when you go down to the toothbrush head itself, you have a lot of options here. If I press this button, they'll light up and you have clean, white plus, gum health, and deep clean as your 4 cleaning options. And then when you turn it on, you can see it running, this button becomes your pressure button, and you have low pressure, medium pressure, and high pressure. And the toothbrush will remember which pressure you select, so when I turn it off, if I turn it back on, it'll remember that I prefer level 3 pressure. Now what's the difference between all of these? Oddly enough, it's not that much. Now, clean and deep clean are very similar. The main difference between those is how long it goes. Clean will go for 2 minutes and deep clean goes for 3 minutes, and their beeps between the times when you should change sections will change accordingly. White plus is a little different. It has you do all the sections for 20 seconds, and then it will have you do your front teeth again for 20 seconds on the top and bottom. And gum health is definitely making you focus more on your gums. And again, it's a slightly different time range. This one's longer. It's 3 minutes and 20 seconds, and it focuses on your gums. Now, when I went through all of them, I actually only really noticed a difference on the white and the deep clean. They felt like this section just moved a little more, which I thought was interesting. But for the most part, they all feel about the same. It's really just about timing of how long they run and when the beeps are and what section of your teeth you're supposed to do on each beep. So for the most part, I just will use clean, as that is the one I prefer, and 2 minutes is plenty most of the time. Depending on what you need, this toothbrush will definitely adapt to your needs. Now, do you need all of these features? Maybe not. My Philips 4100 toothbrush is one of my favorites, as it's just a very simple Sonicare toothbrush. 1 button on and off. You can double tap that button to change the pressure, and that's it. It's a great toothbrush that really lasts. But I wanted to level up, and the things that I really appreciate about this toothbrush is it does feel like it has more heft to it, and the vibrations are more unique. Obviously, I don't really know what's going on, but I can feel that it's different. It's not as buzzy. It just feels like it might be working into my teeth more, or maybe I'm just making that up. But one thing I really love is this toothbrush case, as this will make travel so much easier, and it ensures that my toothbrush will be charged as I go on trips. as I often forget to bring this cord. But I have used Philips Sonicare toothbrushes for over 20 years, and I swear by them. I love them so much. I would say they don't have the longest lifespan. The longest one I ever had was 6 years old, but depending on who in my family is using them, some of them only last 2 years. And you can take advantage of Philips' warranty policy. I have done that and gotten new ones multiple times in the past, so the customer service is fantastic. And that's another reason why I am willing to go with this one, as I know I can get a replacement if something goes wrong, and I love the quality of it. And I will be using that deep clean feature in particular when I'm feeling a little more grimy or I want an extra cleaning. So this is the Philips 7500, and I think it is a great option.